Another sign of Russian aggression against civilians in Ukraine. A bombing of a theatre in the besieged city of Mariupol. The number of casualties is not yet known, but local officials say hundreds of people were sheltering there. These satellite images show the theatre a few days before the bombing. The Russian word for children spelled out on the ground. Russia's defense ministry has denied carrying out the attack. Following another day of violence, US President Joe Biden has, for the first time, called Russian leader Vladimir Putin a war criminal. Comments which the Kremlin has described as unacceptable and unforgivable. The peace talks between Russia and Ukraine are ongoing. The mayor of Melitopol, who was kidnapped by Russian forces last week, has been released, according to Ukrainian officials. They say it was part of an exchange that saw Ukraine agree to hand over 9 captured Russian soldiers. There is cautious optimism that progress is being made.
My priorities for the negotiations are absolutely clear. The end of the war, guarantees of security, sovereignty, restoration of territorial integrity, real guarantees for our country, real protection for our country.
But shells continue to fall on Ukrainian cities, and all people can do is hide. If the thought of cowering children doesn't stop the Russian bombardment, what will?